Alrighty, so now we're on a Royal Caribbean cruise, 7-day cruise, and we're going to be going to 3 different islands with the 3 different ports. Be going first to Labadee, Haiti, which I guess is their private island. Second, we're going to San Juan, Puerto Rico. And third, we're going to St. Maarten, which I think is Philipsburg, St. Maarten. Could be wrong about that. But yeah, so I guess we'll get a tour of the room. So here's like kind of the couch area, a little desk or table. Here's the actual desk area, TV, and then little outlet, actually 3 different outlets there, and then mirror, hello, with a light. There we go. And the bed, it's actually kind of firm, but I like firm beds, so it's kind of personal preference there. And then bathroom, yeah, it's a normal little cruise bathroom, shower. Everything's small in a cruise bathroom, so no surprise there, but still very nice. And then we'll check out the view, our window, our porthole. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. Just not too high up, only on deck 3, so it's very nice. It's a big ship, but yeah. So I guess we're gonna go check out. If you can see me, go check out the rest of the ship. Alrighty, so now we're going to take the elevator and head up to deck 5, which is the Royal Promenade, and then we're going to head across to the front of the ship, and we're going to go to the adult area to kind of meet up with the rest of the family. So it's really busy right now because I actually got some shopping going on because I guess it's formal night and got some clothes to go shopping for. But I'm not interested in all that. But yeah, it's definitely a really big ship, and we're gonna have a lot to check out while we're here. Luckily, it's 7 days, and we have about 3 days at sea total, so have a lot of chances to see what we have.
I'll change the plans today. We're actually at the main pool. I don't know if you can hear me because they have loud music, but I guess we'll find out later. But yeah, so we're gonna hang out at the regular pool for the rest of the day, except for at around 2 o'clock, the girls have DIY facial treatments. But I don't know what I'll be doing. Maybe just relaxing, watching. I don't know. But yeah, other than that, we just have formal dinner tonight, and so there's really not much going on. So I won't be recording that much. But definitely tomorrow, when you go with Labadee, the private island, definitely recording a lot of that. So yeah, see you guys later.
Alrighty, so we're in Labadee, Haiti this morning. That's where we're gonna spend most of our day. Got to see some of the mountains in the background. But yeah, so we're spending here till about like 3 o'clock, 3:30 before we go on to San Juan, Puerto Rico. So let's go find out what we can do.
are now in St. Maarten. We're actually gonna go down to the downtown area. Then after that, we have an excursion, in which we're gonna go snorkeling. And so take the GoPro out for that, and let's go exploring. We are back from the excursion. Hopefully got a lot of good videos on the GoPro. But yeah, so now we're gonna head back to downtown and see what we couldn't see. And because we have about like 2 hours before our ship leaves. So we will try to explore as much as we can before our ship leaves. And then after that, we're gonna get back on the ship, enjoy dinner, and then, you know, we have 2 days at sea, so we'll enjoy those as well. Alrighty, let's go see what we have in downtown. Well, it is a rough day at sea. You probably hear the waves in the background, but yeah, they're huge. With that in mind, let me fix that real quick. We are gonna go try to zip line today and try to go rock climbing as well. And yeah, so we'll also have a bunch of shows later on today. We got to see cats, and then we have the Aqua 80 show. I guess it's the Aqua show. But yeah, with that in mind, let's go check out the rest of the ship.